OxyStab instructions for use. Preparing a culture for storage. Aseptically pick a pure colony using a sterile needle. Remove lid of OxyStab and insert needle into the center of the auger. Push the needle to the bottom of the tube and recap lid. Once the needle is pulled from the auger will self-seal, keeping the inoculated environment of the media anaerobic. Incubate the inoculated OxyStab at 35 to 38 degrees Celsius for 48 to 72 hours. Time and temperature may be modified based on the specified organism's growth requirements. Store OxyStab at the appropriate temperature for later recovery. Method 2 is preparing an overlay inoculant. Prepare an appropriate anaerobic or aerobic broth medium. Here we're using Oxyrase for broth to add to Oxyrase BHI broth to turn the BHI broth anaerobic in 15 minutes. While you're waiting, you could prepare an additional OxyStab tube with your specified organism. Remove the lid of the OxyStab, insert the needle into the center of the auger, and push the needle to the bottom of the tube and recap. Now you can add your anaerobic broth medium to the top of the OxyStab and adding the overlay allows the organism to grow up into the broth medium at the top. Incubate OxyStab with overlay at 35 to 38 degrees Celsius for 48 to 72 hours. Time and temperature may be modified based on the specified organism's growth requirements. To recover the organism, aseptically transport or pipette a volume of incubated overlay and subculture accordingly.
Here are the steps of recovering an isolate from an OxyStab that's been stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Obtain all the materials you need, your stored OxyStab, whatever plate you're going to put the organism on, label everything, allow the plate to come to room temp, open the OxyStab with a sterile loop, insert into the organism, inoculate your plate, and return the OxyStab back to cold storage. It can be used at cold storage for at least 9 months, and you can recover from it multiple times.